Could there be anything better than finding a PC XT in the wild? It's 12 megahertz, 8088 chip, 640k of RAM, and it works. When he said it was available, I just had to get down there. Hastings is a little country-ish town outside of Melbourne. It's a fair drive, lovely scenery, and it didn't take too long. And there it was, still running and sitting on top of a bench. I packed the computer into the car with the original manuals and floppy disks and headed back, saying goodbye to the cows and back onto the freeway. It's a little bit dirty and covered in grime, but it will clean up well. Here's the inside with a MiniScribe hard disk, power supply looks great, and a very, very simple PC XT motherboard, very small too. You can see from the BIOS it was made in 1988. I honestly can't believe how clean it is. At this point I was wondering if it had a battery or anything, but I couldn't see one. Time to clean it up with some wipes, isopropyl alcohol and compressed air. And although it looked clean, there was a fair amount of grime inside the case. The monitor also needed some extra work. Keyboard cleaned up very, very well, although the right hand Alt key was stuck, so I'll need to get that looked at some stage. floppy disk contained the usual WordPerfect, a couple of games, and a little surprise disk at the end. If you're old enough like me, you'll know exactly what this was used for. Now to turn it on and see if it fires up. It already had a disc in there and I didn't know what it was for. The hard disk has some games on it, so I decided to play one of my favourite MS-DOS games, Digger. And it works great, although I do need to brush up on my Digger skills. Hey, if you want to see me out on the road finding PCXT computers like this and other retro gear, please support the channel by dropping a like or sharing a video with friends who appreciate this stuff. We're a brand new channel and I just want to keep doing videos like this, bringing my finds to you guys each week. In the meantime, let me know in the comments what computer you grew up with first. Was it a PCXT computer like this, or maybe it was a Commodore 64 or a TRS-80 or a VIC-20? What was it for you? I reply to all the comments. I'd love to hear your feedback. I'll see you on the next find.